Welcome to Happy Professional Training. Today, I will be sharing 15 common questions that freshers often face during HR internship interviews. Along with these questions, I will provide simple, effective answers that you can use. Think of this as a starting point to help you prepare based on your experience and ideas. Let's get started. First question: why do you want to pursue a career in HR? They want to see if you're genuinely interested in HR or just applying randomly. Your passion matters here. You can say, I have always been interested in working with people and helping them grow. HR is a field where I can support employees, contribute to their success, and help build a positive work environment. Next, what do you understand about the role of HR in an organization? They are checking if you understand how HR fits into a company. This shows your basic knowledge of the field. You can say, HR is responsible for hiring and retaining employees, solving workplace challenges, and ensuring that company policies are followed. It also plays a key role in improving employee satisfaction and performance. Next, can you share what you know about employee lifecycle management? This question is asked to check if you know the big picture of HR and how employees are managed from start to finish. You can say, it refers to the stages an employee goes through in a company from being hired, trained, and supported to eventually exiting the organization. HR ensures this process is smooth and beneficial for both the employee and the company. Next, why did you choose to apply for this HR internship at our company? Here, they are testing if you have done your homework about the company and why you want to join them specifically. You can say, I admire your company's focus on employee well-being. I believe this internship would be a great opportunity to learn HR practices from a company that values its people. Here, I would recommend you to go through the company's website and then find out what specific value or initiative the company has done, and based on that you can answer this question. What skills do you have that would make you a successful HR professional? They want to know if you have the right skills for HR even as a fresher. You can say, I'm good at communication, solving problems, and staying organized. I also enjoy working with teams, listening to people, and understanding their needs, which are key skills in HR. Next, how would you handle a conflict between two employees? One thing you have to understand is conflict resolution is a big part of HR. So they are testing your problem-solving skills here. You could say, I would listen to both sides to understand their concerns. Then, I would mediate a discussion to help them find a fair and productive solution, keeping company policies in mind. What are your thoughts on employee engagement and how would you promote it? Engaged employees are productive, so they want to know your ideas for keeping employees happy. You could say, employee engagement is essential for productivity and a positive work culture. I would focus on recognizing achievements, creating opportunities for development, and fostering open communication. What is the importance of maintaining confidentiality in HR? This is a key HR responsibility, so they are testing if you understand its importance. You could say, confidentiality is crucial because employees trust HR with sensitive information. Maintaining it protects their privacy and helps build a trustworthy relationship between HR and employees. Next, how would you approach a task involving recruiting for a job role you are unfamiliar with? Recruitment is a core HR job which you all know. They want to understand if you can handle new challenges confidently. You could say, I would first consult the hiring manager to understand the role and its requirements. Then I would research similar positions and adapt my recruitment strategy accordingly. Can you share an example of when you worked in a team and faced challenges? They would like to know how you handle disagreements and work collaboratively. You could choose an example from your college time. For example, during a college group project, our team had trouble agreeing on how to divide the work. I suggested we assign tasks based on each member's strengths, which helped us collaborate effectively and also meet our deadline. What do you think is the most challenging aspect of HR? Balancing the needs of employees with the goals of an organization can be challenging. However, I believe that open communication and fairness can help overcome this challenge. How do you prioritize tasks when you have multiple deadlines? Time management is essential in HR, so they want to see how you stay organized. For this, you could say, I list my tasks based on urgency and importance. I focus on the most critical ones first and set aside time for each task to ensure all deadlines are met. Next, what tools or software have you used or are you familiar with for HR tasks? Here, they would want to understand if you're comfortable with technology or willing to learn. You could say, I have used Microsoft Excel and Google Workspace for managing data and communication. I'm also eager to learn HR-specific tools like HRIS or ATS during this internship. If you had to plan an employee event, what steps would you take to ensure its success? Planning events shows your organizational and communication skills, which are both important for HR. You can say, I would start by setting clear objectives, creating a detailed plan, and gathering input from employees. I would focus on choosing the right activities, ensuring everything is well organized, and evaluating feedback after the event. Where do you see yourself in 5 years within the HR field? Here, they would like to understand if you have long-term goals and are serious about HR as a career. You could say, in 5 years, I see myself as an HR specialist or manager, contributing to talent acquisition, employee engagement, and creating strategies that align with organizational goals. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you feel more confident in your preparations. All the best for your interview.